Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kejela Konrad Sangma hene kesengi habakren bagi nong thok khubor uloong basibun kijing kiya kendu bat kamlong kabasuk ban pen urlong ya baro ha keju kopor ha kebaidai ba kijing Duna ki IAS ha Kejela Menteri Rangba uloong bakum ka Sorkar ka thrang ban yoi bakin don ki Samla pule ki ban pas ha kene ke examin ulai thu baka Sorkar ha news nem arhajar apun reu kan stang ya ka program ban Kyrshan ya ki Samla pule ki bapas ya ka Prelim shu ulai thu bahaman ki district bat ki organization ki ba ka Sorkar ka ai jing hikai bat ka Kyrshan da ka Pisa ulai thu baha ki snam bala dep kilas dang ya ka program online ha ka baki hak ban sange no nakadaw jong COVID-19 kabalawan ban ling shop uloong ba udon ka jingkermen ban yoi ka jingmentoy lingba kini dang shen hang rilom garo kawai ka kanhon balang kalas dang ban ai ka jinghikai bat ka Sorkar kalayarap yaki.
We can't resolve everything in one go. We have to see that we work on the system, and it'll always be there. That there'll be different issues that will come up, and civil service clearance at the central and the UPSC level is definitely one area which we are very very concerned about, and we would like to see more students pass. So this year itself, in fact, I'm starting a program where I'm going to be supporting financially the students who have cleared the prelims. Will be giving financial support to them from the government side. At the same time, where the different districts and different organizations to which we're giving coaching and training and financial support. And we had started a program online many years back, which of course had to be stopped because of the COVID, the pandemic that struck us. But we are slowly structuring it. I hope that we'll be able to see more impact. Just recently in Garo Hills also we had the religious organizations also have started to start this training process, and government is helping them also.